Welcome to the world of wheelchair rugby.
It's very fun and very competitive and non-stop action.
So he plays wheelchair rugby, which is called Murderball.
Oh,
So
it is?
yeah. I was like, yeah, it is hardcore.
My name is Nathan. I'm here to do LASIK surgery. When I was 16, I was accidentally shot with a shotgun by my best friend at the time, and it paralyzed me at C7. I started getting older and losing sight, and I have difficulty with the glasses, and I tried contacts, and my hands are not good enough to do contacts. I play wheelchair rugby, and it will be much easier to play that sport without glasses, and it would be nice to watch TV and work on the computer without having to worry about getting my glasses or contacts ready.
So the sport you play is called Murderball, and it's pretty intense. I can only imagine if you're playing something called Murderball, that if your glasses might fall off in the middle of that. I mean, it has to, and then contacts are not an option because the fine motor skills. So we got to get you at your peak performance for Murderball, because like I can only imagine if you're not seeing well, it's probably that much harder. So now we're going to get you fixed up so you can play Murderball at your peak performance. I've seen this sport and it is nuts. So like the wheelchairs are different. They have like the wheels are angled and like isn't there something, and you still flip over, like you hit people. Yeah. So I've seen videos of this and it is not for the faint of heart. So Murderball is probably an appropriate name. So we'll fix you up here.
Been in a wheelchair about 22, 23 years.
Okay, 23.
We have a few different ways we can use the laser to reshape the prescription. We have Smile, LASIK, and PRK. For Nate's prescription, the best procedure was LASIK, where we use one laser called a femtosecond laser that creates a series of bubbles. All those bubbles connect to create a plane, and we can then lift that, what we call a flap, and use another laser to imprint the prescription into the center part of the cornea, and then we've put the flap back down, smooth that out, and that entails the treatment. We just finished Nate's surgery. Everything went perfect. So Nate, what do you think? I mean, it's got to be easier than rugby or Murderball, what they call it. What do you think? I mean, you've done some pretty hardcore things, but how was this compared to some of this other stuff you've done?
It was very easy, and it was no pain at all, nothing. It was, 10 minutes?
Yeah.
I'm done, and it was very easy.
Yeah. Well, you did great. Congratulations. Happy to treat you. And I know, this will make in general life easier, so you don't have to worry about the glasses, you don't have to fiddle with contacts, and this will be a great step forward for you. Okay. There's a program that's called Focus on Independence that was started by two friends of mine, ophthalmologist Dr. Robert Maloney in California and Dr. Dan Dury. These two doctors about 20 years ago realized the impact that refractive surgery can have on these individuals by giving them that independence from having to rely on somebody else to put the glasses or contacts on their eyes. So we were happy to offer this procedure free for Nate. It's really cool to see how impactful this can be for somebody that really needs that independence from glasses or contacts. So we're here 1 week later after LASIK eye surgery, and here with Nate. How are things going? Have you had a chance to play rugby since you've had the eye surgery, or just tell us how your in general overall life's been since after surgery, and how's your vision doing?
I have not been able to play rugby yet. It's the off season, but it's my eye vision is like eagle eye vision. I feel like, and
that's awesome.
It's just amazing freedom to feel without needing glasses or contacts or anything.
That's great.